Welcome to week 3 of Grantham University's BA410 Procurement and Contract Capstone. During this week's lesson, we'll be talking about or continuing our discussion on the S3 model, focusing on Chapter 5, Leadership, Step 2, Talk the Talk. Our focus this week surrounds one objective. In this session, we want to identify the different ways that we can motivate and mentor those in the contracting work environment. And this is called Leadership Step Number 2, Talk the Talk. The session this week, Leadership Step 2, Talk the Talk, we're going to focus on a few key ideas. First of all, we'll provide an introduction and discuss the aspects of why this particular topic is important to you and your profession. We'll also discuss the top 10 topics to talk about. Thirdly, we'll look at how to essentially deliver the message or how to talk the talk. We'll discuss how to look like a leader. Also, knowing when and how to listen, and observing others. We'll focus on how to practice the talk, understand the power of just being nice. And we'll close out the discussion this week on how to apply technology in our efforts to improve communications. So why is this topic of talk the talk important to you? For success in today's buying and selling environment, it's very important to know and to understand the vision, goals, and objectives of the organization. This includes an understanding and commitment of an established code of ethics as well. This in turn is what enables leaders to effectively communicate organizational goals, trends, and processes that seek to move the organization in a positive direction. Without it, it has the potential of creating indecision, confusion, dissension, and devaluing aspects. So the result in turn could be detrimental to the organization as a whole, thereby impacting productivity, morale of the organization, and the synergy that we need in order to succeed as an organization. So 3 key ideas that we want to focus on during this lesson: knowing the importance and how to understand the vision, goals, and objectives within the organization, taking a look at the code of ethics and appreciating those code of ethics that exists for the organization, and also learning the principles of talking the talk as a leader, while this will enable the opportunity for success for not only you, but as well as the organization. Here we'd like to address the top 10 topics to talk about. In Table 1 of your text, it suggests the top 10 things that business leaders should address to their buying and selling teams. It also highlights the code of ethics as being at the top of this list and how it should be addressed with teams relative to emphasis on integrity, respect, and ethical business behavior. These are essentially deemed fundamental principles and practices that are vital to organizational long-term success. The top 10 ideas include organization code of conduct, organization vision, goals, metrics, results, challenges. Number 3, customer needs, goals, budget, challenges. 4, team performance goals, metrics, results, challenges. 5, team roles, responsibilities, performance schedule. 6, subcontractor performance goals, metrics, results, and challenges. 7. Individual performance goals, metrics, results, and challenges. 8. Individual leadership development. 9. Individual strengths, best practices. And 10. Individual weaknesses, performance improvement plans. Here we'll be talking about the key aspects of delivering the message, essentially how to deliver the message or the talk. Here we'll talk about how to be the best communicator of your message. As it suggests, style, personality, and situations vary from person to person. Your text, Table 5-2, also highlights 12 best practices to support your development in this particular area. So the key aspects that we deal with here involve keeping it clear and concise, how to use active voice words in your presentation and your speech, also using good word choice, tone, pitch, volume, all to show commitment and passion to your message. We also address how to adapt style and approach to the audience, being sincere, how to use powerful examples and case studies, and also how to be compelling in your messaging. We'll discuss how to use nonverbals for reinforcement and also the use of audio visuals in your messaging. The use of humor when appropriate is also addressed in your text, and how to relate to the audience. Practice is key. So see Table 5-5 in your text, and where it will address 7 best practices for you to be able to use in your messaging and delivering the right message. It's also important to look like the leader. This particular section of your text highlights the importance of your appearance as a leader. Appearance counts. Appearance does have an impact on your ability to successfully convey the right message as you intend. Table 5-3 of your text highlights 10 best practices that you might want to consider in the development of this area. For example, consider style and the clothes that you wear. Dress the part. Be sure that you maintain good grooming. Err to overdress. Make sure that it's appropriate for the right occasion. Be aware of your physical presence, height, weight. Also use appropriate nonverbals. Use good posture. Don't be stiff. And make sure that you move. Wear appropriate jewelry. And also make sure that your shoes are shine and that you present a good image from the bottom up. So looking like a leader is key to your overall success, as it conveys a message of success and confidence. Know when and how to listen and observe others. In this area, we talk about the criticality of thinking before you speak. There's extreme value in taking the time to listen to others before attempting to communicate your message. Proactive listening skills, they tend to pay great dividends in successful engagement strategies. Table 5-4 of your text provides 5 solid ideas for your consideration and development in this particular area. For example, don't talk. Act interested. Use attentive body language. Eliminate distractions. And let listening be a solution. It's very important to understand the power of nice. Here in this section, we talk about the impacts of being nice and respectful to others. Even in the buying and the selling environment, this can be important. Loss of respect and credibility can be achieved by those who choose to treat others unfairly or with disrespect. As leaders, it's vital that we demonstrate how we value and respect others. The power of nice is an excellent way for you as a buyer or a seller to achieve success and get what you want. Table 5-6 of your text highlights 7 best practices for your consideration and development in this area. Understanding the power of nice. Find something nice to say about someone. Be sure to say thank you. Even consider notes that express your gratitude and your thankfulness towards someone. Always practice politeness. Be sure to use positive reinforcements in your messaging and the words that you say and how you convey the information. Always feel free to give a pat on the back or shake hands as appropriate. And look folks in the eyes and say, well done. These can all be great enablers to your success. The power of just simply being nice can go a long way to your success and demonstrate your professionalism in the things that you do and the way that you convey your thoughts and expressions. The use of technology can be extremely valuable to your ability to improve communications in your profession. So in this particular segment, we want to talk about how to apply technology tools to improve communications. So the use of technology can be an enabler to success in both the buying and selling environments, whether by geography, time, language, culture, etc. The use of key tools and technological advancements may be worthy of consideration as we move forward and have this discussion. This section also provides a discussion on the various types of technology strategies and tools to support business growth and leadership, and also our ability to communicate more effectively and efficiently. So your text highlights 8 different ideas, different thoughts in terms of the use of technology. Face-to-face meetings, conference bridges, collaboration software, video web conferencing, interactive chat, email, war room, and the power of questions. I suggest that you take the time to read the text and really focus in on the key considerations surrounding these critical ideas and how these may be key enablers to helping you to improve your communication skills as far as technology is concerned.